Hello, welcome to Wenwu School website. I am so glad you can join us. My name is Dr. Erling Cheng. I'm one of the clinical acupuncturists here at Wenwu School and Chonghua Clinic. I also run the Wenwu School of Martial Arts. During this time where we're taking care of ourselves, the best way is prevention is the best medicine. Self-caring is better than anyone caring for you. We all know acupuncture and Chinese medicine have been around for 3,000 years. The forms you learn at Wenwu School, the Dayan Qigong, Tai Chi, Shaolin Temple Kung Fu, Pai Da Gong, are all following the traditional Chinese medicine theory. So there's a lot of thousands of years of philosophy and practice behind them. Today, I'd like to introduce a few self-care systems that you can do. One of them is doing self-acupressure on yourself. On this chart, you can see there is the innate immunity and there's also the adaptive immune system. They all have something in the middle, which is the T cell and natural killer cell, which means in the T cell and the NK natural killer cell, they belong to the white blood cell in the lymphocytes in our body. The innate immune system acts quickly as soon as it recognizes something foreign that's coming into our body. For instance, if you cut yourself, or for instance, if you have an infection in the body recognizes that immediately and then it activates the innate immune system. The adaptive immune system is a slow response, time-building response that builds the lymphocytes and the T and the natural killer cell gently and gradually to boost your immune system, which is like for inflammation and for cancer. So you need both systems to work together to get the best care to boost your immunity. So today is about self-care through acupressure. Many researches and articles have been done in the past 25 to 30 years showing that acupuncture has been very effective in boosting these immune systems, whether it's innate or adaptive. We're not teaching you how to do acupuncture here, and we're also not replacing your current treatments. I just wanted to share how do we take care of yourself in a time like this when you are staying home. Some of the points that I will be teaching you are the points that we use in the Qigong, Tai Chi, and Shaolin Kung Fu classes, such as stomach 36, Zu San Li, spleen 6, San Yin Jiao, large intestine 4, He Gu, large intestine 10, Shou San Li, and large intestine 11, Qu Chi points. Let me teach you how to do these acupuncture points yourself. You cannot do acupuncture on yourself since you are not licensed or you don't know how. But doing enough acupressure and massages persistently and consistently can increase the blood stimulation as much as you can with acupuncture treatments. The first point is stomach 36, Zu San Li. You can sit comfortably like me, or you can sit on the bed with your leg extended. The first point is Zu San Li. It's on the outside of your leg. As you can see on the computer, so this point is on both legs. So we're gonna start with one leg first. This is a knee, this is a tibia, this is a fibula. So on the outside of the knee, 3 cun or 4 inches below the outside of the knee, on one finger away from the crest of the tibia. So right around here, this is your stomach 36 point. Now you can relax your leg. I'm gonna put my leg down, and so can you. And find both locations on this side, 4 finger below the outside of the knee. There are 2 holes under the knee on the outside. Below the hole, 1 finger away from the crest of the tibia. So this is both called stomach 36, Zu San Li. You can press down, massage clockwise 10 times or more. Like I said, consistency and persistency is the key to self-care. Or reverse counterclockwise. Or you can push down as many times as you do, like about 10 times in a row. or as many times as you can. Do this as much as you can until you feel a little bit pressure. Of course, if you have some problem or it's difficult for you to do that because you have pain, you can use your knuckle to massage, or you can use a pen pointing down. You can do it on yourself as much as you can. Usually I tell people to do it 30 clockwise, 30 counterclockwise, 30 counterclockwise, or push down until you feel the pressure about 10 times, 20 times, or 30 times each time. The next point is called spleen 6. 三阴交 point. Spleen 6 is located if you find the medial tip of your ankle. Put 4 fingers above the ankle. This point is right behind the border of the tibia, so about right here. So you use your 4 fingers. So that's your body's inch. Again, push down, either direction, circle, or circle the other direction, or press down. You can do both of them at the same time. 30. Are you doing this with me together? And 30. 12, 13, 14, 29, 30. Or push down until you feel enough pressure. Remember, the points are never on top of a bone. Otherwise, how do acupuncturists put their needles in? So this one is behind the border of the bone on the inside of the leg where you can press down about 30 times or more. Next, I wanted to show you the He Gu point on top of our fingers. Okay. Sit in a comfortable position. So He Gu is large intestine number 4. It's one of the 10 most important points. This point relieves cold, increase your immune system, get rid of fever, treats problem on your tendonitis or arthritis. So as I said, it's one of the most 10 important points. You can see how important these points are. So to locate He Gu point, maybe you already know. If you know, go directly to it. It's at the base of the first and the second metacarpal bone, right in the middle of the joint. This in English is called joint valley, He Gu point. Again, you can cup your hand like me, and then your thumb can go to this thumb 10 times or 20 or 30, and reverse. This point is so strong, so if you are currently pregnant, do not use this point. This point does relieve pain, does relieve even the menstrual or uterine pain. Or you can press down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, or reverse to this side. 10 clockwise, or 20 or 30, or 10 counterclockwise. 10, 20, or 30, or push down until you pressure. Once again, this point at where the 2 metacarpal bone join, not on the bone. Otherwise, how does an acupuncture doctor put needles in? But a little bit before where they join together. So this is called the He Gu point. The next couple of points is on our elbow. The first point is called large intestine 11. It's at the crease and on the lateral, on the outside of our elbow at the very end. So you have to find this point with your elbow bent. Find it, put your thumb on the point right here. You can open your elbow while you're doing the massage. You will feel a little bit pressure, and which is absolutely fine. We want you to feel the pressure so you're activating the blood flow, activating the central nervous system so the central nervous system knows what you wanted to do. And reverse 30. I am counting forward, but at home, I want you to spend the time to do 30 each direction, or press down for 10, 20, 30. The next point is on large intestine 10. It's about your 3 fingers below large intestine 11, below the crease, about right here. Okay, so you can also locate from this all the way, if you draw a line to large intestine 4 on this line, about 3 fingers below. Here you go, and you just do the gentle massage, clockwise and counterclockwise, and press down for 10 times. On both sides, large intestine 11, large intestine 10, large intestine 4. So you have 4, 10, 11. Also the 2 points on your leg, stomach 36, and spleen 6. These acupressure self-care points are not hard to do, but it takes persistency and consistency. So you know you need to do these points whenever you can. You can do it in the car, while you're watching TV or reading your newspaper. You may be surprised by the end of the day, you have already done 100 clockwise, 100 counterclockwise. At any time, if you have any question, feel free to email us at info@wenwuschool.com. Also, at any time, the self-care acupressure point is not to replace your current treatment or medication. Thank you so much for watching Wenwu School website. Until next time, have a wonderful and healthy day.